The electric parking brake replaces the traditional manual parking brake. Pull the switch to activate the electric parking brake. To disable it, press the switch while stepping on the brake. Make sure the driver's seat's door, the hood, and trunk are closed and the driver's seatbelt is fastened. Or in driving mode, you can disable it by stepping on the accelerator pedal. AutoHold when parking a car on a slope or driving in a traffic jam. By stepping on the brake, AutoHold keeps the car stopped even when you take your foot off the pedal. You can turn AutoHold on and off by pressing the switch. When in AutoHold, the car will not move even when you take your foot off the pedal. If AutoHold is activated while on terrain that is inclined about 25 degrees or higher, the EPB is automatically activated. The car will move by slight stepping on the accelerator pedal. And if you turn off the engine when AutoHold is still on, the EPB will be automatically activated. The EPB is also automatically activated 10 minutes after AutoHold is activated, or when the hood or the door of the driver's seat is opened. If AutoHold is active when turning off the engine, it will remain active when the engine is started next time.
Kia, movement that inspires.